Hello all, I am Abhiram, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vedavisa Institute of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about Electronic Stability Program.
Electronic Stability Program, also referred to as Electronic Stability Control, is an advanced vehicle stability system that works to help a driver maintain steering control of the vehicle. By automatically braking individual wheels and regulating torque distribution, the system influences the directional control of a vehicle in situations where grip or tractions are compromised and a potential loss of control is detected. This is the common symbol that is used to refer electronic stability control. ESP combines the functions of anti-locking braking system and electronic stability control and help to counteract skidding movements of the vehicle. During emergency braking, ABS controls the pressure of each wheel and helps the driver to control the vehicle easily. Now let us discuss what all are the main components of electronic stability program. The first one will be a wheel speed sensor, and next one will be a yaw rate sensor which will dictate the vertical movement of the vehicle. There will be a steering angle sensor which will dictate the angle of steering, and a control unit will be the main brain of the program. The hydraulic unit will help us to control the braking of the vehicle. These all are the main components of electronic stability program.
Let's take a real life example. When a driver detects a sudden movement in the road, he'll turn the vehicle suddenly. In this example, this driver turn the vehicle into left side. The vehicle will be in high speed and it will not follow the order of the driver. The yaw rate sensor dictates this movement, that the vehicle is moving forward even though its driver is steering left, and the ESP will brake the left rear wheel to control the vehicle. So the vehicle will be in control after this operation. When the driver steer to right, it will be oversteered and there will be a tendency to the vehicle to drift left side. To avoid this, the ESP will brake the left front wheel to counteract and make the vehicle in control of the driver. The ESP will continuously observe the movement of the vehicle, and if there is any change in the movement rather than the order given by the driver, the ESP will counteract and make it in control of the driver. The ESP can control the brakes of the vehicle, the engine RPM, and even the modern ESPs can control the suspension height and suspension angle of the vehicle. Traction control is one of the another feature of ESP. In this example, this road is one side of the road is wet and other side is dry. Due to this, the vehicle cannot move in the forward direction due to slipping. But with ESP, it can also control the torque on each wheel of the vehicle. By this, we can easily move the vehicle forward through controlling the torque of each wheel of the vehicle. There are many other features also come with electronic stability program. Hill holding control is one of that. Like that, hill descent control is also there. Emergency automatic braking system is also one of the main function of electronic stability control. Let's see an example of vehicle with and without ESP. You may be noted from the above examples and working. Even though we are driving the vehicle, actually we are not driving the vehicle. The electronic stability program is driving the vehicle and it is taking control of the vehicle every time. So it is one of the small stepping stone to the autonomous vehicle industry.